maybe you put your hands on here.
Yeah, you use your arms and we're just going to help you.
Okay, now you push off. You ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Good job.
Straight from the knee. There we go. Up. I'm stuck.
Oh, sheet over my back.
There we go.
All right.
Alrighty.
Which way we go?
We'll go out the door. Let's start with that.
And you can look either way and decide which direction looks better. Oh my God.
Look here.
Hey.
Oh, are you here to see him?
Well, for the occupational therapy, but you're doing great.
Thank you.
Well, we're cruising timber right now. So that's an occupational therapy type job.
Maybe.
We're cruising some timber. I'll tell you how many cores of wood we're gonna get out of these trees here.
Now you know there's a speed limit here, so no flying down the highways.
You're good looking.
Well, I want you to walk. I don't know his physical therapy. They haven't been down here
Nah.
yet. Okay. Because I have a patient out here I can check on, and then by
Okay.
the time he finishes his lab,
Alrighty, sounds good.
I'll be back.
I want you to love. I said I want you to love. I didn't realize
Okay, you
this.
start looking too good. We're gonna put you to work.
How you doing, buddy? God bless you.
Getting him up to the chair.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this here.